Hello, I'm Vannessa, your VannKit AI learning guide. Let me begin with a question. Why should you learn geometry when AI can give you answers? That may sound reasonable, but what would happen if geometry and the technology you depend on suddenly disappeared? Let's find out. Imagine receiving a geometry problem and thinking, why should I figure this out? I'll just ask ChatGPT. You open the app, but the screen flashes an error. The AI cannot recognize the shapes, measurements, or spatial relationships in the problem. Then the application disappears. Wait, if the tool is gone, how will you decide whether an answer makes sense? Next, the digital world begins to break. TikTok videos stretch sideways. Social media filters float away from people's faces. Captions slide off the screen. Video game characters freeze because their coordinates are missing. GPS cannot calculate distance or direction. Geometry has not only disappeared from the classroom, it has disappeared from almost everything you do online. Outside, the problem becomes even bigger. Basketball courts lose their boundary lines. Wheels lose their circular shape. Buildings lean as measurements and angles disappear. Computers can no longer place objects correctly in three-dimensional space. Geometry was quietly holding the world together, and no one noticed until it was gone. I'm an AI avatar, so I did not think this through. If technology keeps failing, I might disappear too. To restore geometry, we must travel back thousands of years and discover why people developed it in the first place. Hold on. The VannKit compass is taking us to the beginning. Long before textbooks, people used geometric thinking to solve practical problems. In ancient Egypt, the Nile, a massive river that was the lifeblood of the civilization, flooded every year, washing away farm boundaries. Geometry literally means earth measurement, and it was developed so surveyors could use ropes and stakes to rebuild those boundaries. Geometry grew from the need to organize land, build accurately, and make daily life work. In ancient Mesopotamia, people also used measurement for construction, land, trade, and astronomy. Builders needed reliable shapes and dimensions. Observers studied patterns in the sky. Across early civilizations, geometric knowledge developed gradually as people shared discoveries and improved their methods. Geometry did not belong to one inventor. It grew from human curiosity and necessity. Greek mathematicians began organizing geometric ideas through definitions, logical arguments, and proof. Around 300 BCE, Euclid, often called the father of geometry, assembled the knowledge of his time into a massive work called The Elements. Euclid showed that by starting with just a few simple, accepted truths called axioms, you could prove complex ideas through pure logic. His system was so powerful, it remained the standard for teaching math for over 2,000 years. Geometry became more than measuring, it became a way of reasoning. Return to the present, and geometry is everywhere. Architects use it to design buildings. Engineers use it to create bridges and machines. Medical imaging uses spatial relationships to examine the body. GPS uses coordinates, distance, and direction. Animators transform and rotate three-dimensional objects. Athletes judge position, angle, and trajectory. Social media filters track facial locations and movement. Modern tools may hide the mathematics, but geometry is still working underneath. Now scan this room. A phone screen uses dimensions and proportions. A short video uses framing, perspective, and rotation. A video game uses coordinates and three-dimensional models. A basketball involves circles, distance, and shooting angles. A structure uses triangles for strength. Even arranging furniture requires measurement and area. Pause for a moment and identify at least 3 examples of geometry you use personally. We restored geometry, and the technology is working again. But remember, AI can explain ideas, provide examples, and help you practice. It should strengthen your thinking, not replace it. You have seen how geometry developed, how it shapes the modern world, and how it connects to your life. Now click below and begin your conversation with me. Tell me, where did you see geometry today?